welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I hope everyone is good. So today I have one very interesting topic. That topic is upgrade yourself. So how to upgrade yourself, and second thing is after updating, what are the benefits we get. So benefit like when you update yourself, whatever the situations came in future or what the critical situation generate right now, that will be easily solved by you. So those problems may come from different situation, different source, but solutions from your side. Because when you want to do some work, that work must be take with a specific situation, specific problem. But if you doing that work, means you must solve from your side. After that, it's maybe depends upon others, but if you don't take from some action from your side, then it's definitely meaningless. So first thing is you just do some process that really help to update yourself, and yes, those are helpful. So without wasting my time, I just go to that state point. State point is just do meditation when you wake up. After wake up, my suggestion is give 100% time to yourself, because early morning is peaceful, and whatever the positive thoughts and that is human development thought process came in morning. So definitely if you think good, then that will be helps to develop you. If you think negative, then it's don't give means development type of any thought process. So you must do meditation. After that, you put some kindness in your mind, because that kindness will be helpful to be a kind person, and that is really needed for the humanity. So you must put some kindness inside your mind. And second thing is gratitude. Gratitude is connects with human. So you must do some work that create a gratitude, and add some gratitude thought process inside your mind. And third thing is forgiveness. If you not forgive others, then we may face mental distraction. So you need to be a forgiveness attitude. So other thing is you just be a discipline. So if you not a disciplined person, then definitely you face different problem. Like unfortunately problem came, and you may think if I did that time that work, then today may I solve this problem. But that's not a reality. If you are a discipline, then definitely that will be solved by your discipline. So those are the things. And next step is you must work in your health, because health have a specific goal, and to set the specific goal and just fix that specific position. If you lose that position, then again you need to work on health side. So in daily basis you must work for your health. And other thing is you just visualize your future, because you know anyhow you face the future. If you visualize your future, then definitely you prepare for your future. You assume some situations according to that future, so that will be really helpful for upgrade yourself. After that, you must take care about your mental health, because most powerful thought process is you just put intelligence in your mind. That will be solve mental distraction. Whatever the problems came, you just ask question and go to the root phase of that problem. Second is health, means be careful about your food and health related activity. And third is social and emotional connection. You just communicate with your society, because from the society we gather a lot of knowledge. If you want to upgrade ourselves, then definitely we need to communicate with people. After that, spiritual connection. If you believe some religious activity, then that will be give one direction, that will be give one confidence, that makes be a stronger mindset. So you must work on that side also. So I think I cover all those points. So please comment below how you feel. So today signing